Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, everybody. How we all doing today? Let's go. Get the chat. Sup, Cat Adventure? Sup, Stefan? Sup, Tevin? Sup, Brennan? Sup, Will? Good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Yeah, we got the Call of Duty music in the lobby. We're loading up. We're being a sniper today. Ghillie suit. Yeah, good morning, everybody. Yeah, I like that COD music. If you guys have any other requests, we can maybe do it if it's copyright free. But that music is copyright free. I did some other music on the intros, and they copyrighted us, so can't use those songs. But this song we can use, which is pretty nice. We can also do like the Modern Warfare one, which is nice. What's up, Steve? The Apex accounts, they're not bad. They look pretty good. I like them better than the old ones, honestly. Yeah, good morning, everybody. It's a beautiful Wednesday. Right now, we're just kind of choppy right here, honestly. But guys, if you missed yesterday's stream, we got a $436 payout after the fees. Yeah, $436. Yeah, $436. So pretty good on this one account. This is the $2 account, guys, and we got like over 700 in payouts now with it. What's up, Isaac? What's up, brother? Yeah, good morning, everybody. I haven't heard of that, Steve. What is that? Kingdom Hearts Sanctuary. I haven't heard of it. Huh. But yeah, guys, if we're getting clapped on these damn 150k challenges. So if we lose these, I'll probably go back to the 50ks, honestly. We're not getting any momentum, but I'll still try and save them, obviously. I mean, we still have 1700 left. We can still try and save them. But if we profit on this account, guys, if we profit on this one, we can take another withdrawal. So we gotta look for an A+ setup. And we can get the show on the road. Oh, nice. Yeah, those older games had they had like nice music and like theme songs. Theme songs. Yeah, they're pretty good. Call of Duty. A lot of Call of Duty. What else? There's another good one. There's also good intros like to shows like Breaking Bad. Breaking Bad. Wait. Breaking Bad was good. Yeah, Tevin. Yeah, the COD I used to play a lot when I was a kid. Like the originals too, like the very beginning, the original Call of Duties. Right here. Wait. Right here. Breaking Bad. Fire. That was sick. Also, Maybach music. Yeah, the old Call of Duty was good. Guys, if you survived those lobbies back then, like the chat lobbies, you can survive anything nowadays. Those chat lobbies back then were brutal. Everyone talking crap to each other. Hey, let's go, William. Good job, man. That's a good save right there. Save yourself some money. Good job. Yeah, it's always nice to take an account out of drawdown and then bringing it back. You're like, yeah, I did that. Yeah, nice. Yeah, cooking's nice. It's nice when you eat. I like it when I eat. But it's also, yeah, the preparation towards it. Ooh, dude, like a nice juicy steak. Like a fat ribeye with butter and garlic and rosemary. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. Yeah, hey guys, we gotta go for that steak tonight. Hey, we got a Costco trip yesterday, guys. We got a Costco trip. We made a month's worth of food yesterday, guys. We gotta put it in that perspective. Like, oh, it's only $500 payout. Who cares? It's like, for me, dude, that's $500. Let's put that in perspective. That's a month worth of groceries for me, for my girlfriend and I. That's about $500. Yeah, because I spent about $350 at Costco, and then like 150 her or I will spend like at like other smaller grocery stores. So about $500 will last us about a month worth of food. So we made about a month worth of food, guys. We gotta put that in perspective. We just ate for a month from that payout yesterday. Yeah, you gotta think about that, guys. Gandalf, I haven't tried nah, I don't trade London, I don't trade London or Asia. I traded Asia before and I got wrecked. And then I'm like, why am I even trading this? There's nothing wrong with it. If you trade it and you do good with it, yeah, that's good for you. But I notice when I trade like at this time, I like it, and then I don't have to be on the charts all day. Then I can just like do whatever and like do all my other stuff. Because I don't want to be trading all day. And I like New York session, and the volume's pretty good. Oh yeah, the Xbox messages. Yeah, they send you a message like cussing you out and stuff. Like, hey buddy, relax. Hey, it's just a video game. It's literally just a video game. Yeah, but still good. Yeah, save William. Good job on that. Yeah, we saved this account from $2, and we still have it. What's up, Tommy? What's up, brother? Yeah, I gotta be a little frugal with money. Like, we just made a month's worth of food yesterday, guys. And guys, if we make a profit again, we can make another withdrawal. Let's go. Right now, it's just kind of choppy right here. It's kind of like bouncing right here and just like rejecting off this top part. Dude, alright, the goal is to keep getting payouts with this account and then turn it into a live account. I want to get a live account with TakeProfitTrader. That'd be pretty fun. I actually wouldn't be I wouldn't mind getting moved to a live, honestly. If I had like 5. Dude, imagine we still had the 5 though. That would have been over a $2,000 payout yesterday. See the power of copy trading, guys? This is one account. But we can't be greedy. We're happy that we saved this one account. I ain't complaining. I'm happy with it. And then we can get the other accounts funded. Yeah, we had a bullish at the beginning, and then now we're just kind of forming another range. We've been seeing a big move in a direction, like either long or short, and then it kind of just ranged. And lately, it's been top ranges. Lately, we've been seeing a big rip up, and then just like consolidation range. Yesterday was a good range. Yesterday was a really good range because that was like a 50-70 point range, and we capitalized on that with this one account, and the volume was pretty good. But this top range is not the best. If it was coming here to here and like keep like bouncing like that would be a good range. Like a good range, like reject off here or here and then come back down to this bottom part right here and then like come back up. That would be a good range. Right now it's kind of consolidating at this very top part. Tevin, $2,000 max per account per request. 90-10 split. So after a fee, you get like $1,800. Yeah, $1,800. Pretty good. Dan, that's a good question. I'm over $6,000. Nothing crazy, but actually, I can check right here. January, this is after the fees. $3,652. February, $2,670. And then we just got 436 yesterday. Year to date, we're at $6,758 in payouts off just these TakeProfitTrader accounts. This is just one firm, guys. Like, there's nothing crazy, but I mean, it's like consistent, slow progress. I mean, almost $7,000 is not bad. Yeah, it's like 3,500. 3,500 a month, and we just started this month. And yeah, we just started this month. Still, you're just the beginning. T-Chan, on a funded account with TakeProfitTrader, you can request anything daily above the buffer. You blew 10 grand? Well, you can take anything over the buffer. So the 50K account, you can take anything over 2 grand, T-Tran. Well, if I get the opportunity to go live on the 4, yeah, I'll go live. Get at 500. Well, my goal is to get the 500 back with TakeProfitTrader. That's what we're working on these. And then in the meantime, we can keep taking daily withdrawals with this one pro account. Yeah, it's kind of bouncing right here. But I like it kind of to break out of here. It's kind of a small range. Yeah, the payouts are pretty quick. And you could still take daily payouts, 5 accounts, 90-10 split. Yeah, I actually would kind of want to get moved to live, honestly. That would be cool to like make a video about it as well. Because I never got moved to live with TakeProfitTrader. Also Lucid, yeah, Lucid payouts are really fast. So I've heard and I've seen. So I wanna test it out. We need to test out that theory, guys. We gotta test it out. Boom, boom. It's all good, 444. It happens. You just gotta get back up and learn from it and move on. Don't beat yourself up and like do all these bad stuff. 444, go like work out, do some type of thing, whatever you want to do. Take your mind off the chart. Be disciplined outside the charts. Take your mind off the trading. Journal what you're doing wrong. Stuff like that. It really helps. Yeah, teacher, and honestly, just take out anything above the buffer. Like you moved it up to 10 grand, which is pretty impressive, honestly. I mean, that's a good payout right there. That's a really good payout. So, I mean, when you first get your funded accounts, guys, everyone asks me like, "Oh, would you take the payout?" I'm like, 100%. It's like guaranteed money locked in. And there's a couple times where I had a payout locked in, but I got greedy and I kept trading and I ended up losing the account or something. And that happened numerous times to other people. So it's like, especially at the beginning, when it's your first time with the account, like get your money back, how much you spent on the accounts, and then like some money more than that, so you're profiting. So hopefully you're in a profit at that point, and then if you want to build a buffer, then you can start doing that. That's just my recommendation. Always get your money back at least, so it becomes like less risky. Dan, anything above the buffer on this account, so the 50K account is $2,000 buffer. Anything over $2,000, I can withdraw daily. So if I profit on the net on today, I can take a withdrawal across 5 accounts if I still had the 5. But we only have 1 funded right now with TakeProfitTrader. No problem, 444. What's up, Beyond Limits? What's up, brother? Yeah, T-Chan, no worries, man. It happens. It happened to me a couple times. It happens to other people. It's all part of the game. It's just learning that and moving on. Yeah, always get your money back and some. So you're like, you profit. And it covers your expenses, how much you spend on the account. Treat it like a business. If I spend $500 on the accounts and I get like $1,000 payout, I got my money back and 500. I profit 500. And then you can like scale and go from there. Yeah, treat it like a business, guys. Because it is a business. This is a business. Business expense. Yeah, business expense. Let's go, K-Dream. Great freaking job, man. Great job. Love to hear that. Hey, don't be upset, man. Even though you have $500 left to work with, trade micros, keep going. I mean, you got your first payout, man. That's a congratulations. Pat yourself on the back, bro. Good job. Yeah, just try to save that account still with micros, but at least you got that payout, man. Dan, it's just TakeProfitTrader. You can just sign up on their website. Code Casinator. Yeah, you just go on TakeProfitTrader and then 40% off with the code. And you can sign up. But you need to pass a challenge first. There's a challenge phase, and then in the funded account, it starts that trailing drawdown. So just be wary about that. Yeah, Chris King. Yeah, anyone can make money. It's just hard keeping it. Like, defense is definitely more important. Also, like, very important when it comes to trading is like just playing defense, is learning when to stay cash and like protecting your capital and keeping the money that you make, and then knowing when to go like more offensively. You know, it's kind of like that. It's kind of cool. Defense is definitely important, guys. Learn to protect your capital. Yeah, Tommy. Yeah, guys, the year just started. We're only in March. It's kind of crazy though. We're already in March. It's already been. This is already our 3rd month. Guys, we started live streaming for the first time in January. That's kind of crazy. We're already in March. But yeah, guys, we still got over 9-10 months left. Yeah, March. Yeah, we got 10 months left, including this one. No, William. No, you don't lose any money if you lose the account. You only lose how much you paid for the account. So if I lost like this account, it's however much you paid for it. So like the 100K, the 50K is like $102 after the discount. I mean, it's just how much ever you pay for it on your card, your credit or debit card. That's your max loss. If you blow the account, they won't like charge you or something. No, just whatever you pay for the account at the beginning. What's up, Rich? What's up, brother? What's up, internet? What's up, brother? Yeah, internet, man. Yeah, get to work. Going to Hawaii, man. That's a dub, man. Let's go. That'll be a nice lifestyle change for you. I just can't imagine you trading at 3 a.m., 4 a.m. You gotta get used to that. But other than that, it could be fun, man. Yeah, it's fine. But we're already in March. It's kind of crazy. What's up, Chris Kelly? What's up, man? What's up, Just Ain't Right? What's up, brother? What's up, Daily Day Trade? What's up, guys? How's it going, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Glad to see y'all back. Daily Day Trade, nice. We got that $436 payout yesterday, guys. And then no trades yet today. We could maybe see another bounce right here, but I'm like, I don't know. Is it worth it? 20 points, 25 points. Yeah, Rich. I made really good money 2024. And then I lost money in 2025. But I was doing like dumb stuff. And I kept repeating the same mistakes over and over. For no reason. I'm like, why? And then I wasn't being disciplined outside of trading. But this year I gotten a lot better, I've noticed. With like my emotion control. And risk management and stuff like that. So this year, guys, we're documenting the journey live. Hopefully we can profit by the end of the year. Like a good amount. Because 2024, we got 300 grand in payouts. I honestly still don't know how I did that, honestly. To be honest, I don't even know how I did that. My first payout was 7 grand with Top Step. On one account. Oh, man. I don't even know. Yeah, internet, yeah. 3 to 4 a.m. wake up time is crazy work. Even 6 a.m. for me, I'm like, ugh. What's up, Beats? Yeah, 3 a.m. is crazy. William, if it's in your wallet, it is not lost. As long as it's in you sent the payout request and they approve it and send it to your wallet, then it stays there. Unless you like transfer it or buy accounts with it. But if you blow an account but you have money in your wallet, they won't take it from your wallet. Only unless you buy accounts from that money from your wallet, if that makes sense. Oh yeah, we got a month worth of groceries yesterday, guys. We gotta think of that perspective. We're eating for a month now. Yeah, you keep whatever's in your wallet. Julian, yeah, this into YouTube. What's up, Tuchar? What's up, man? Chris? 2024, yeah, I started with Top Step. I got a payout with them. Then I got like... I went to like Apex and MyFundedFutures, I think in March. And I think TakeProfitTrader in April. But those 4 firms Top Step, MyFundedFutures, TakeProfitTrader, and Apex, I got, yeah, 300 grand in payouts. Just those 4 firms. But we were getting like multiple payouts. Apex was 130 grand in payouts. MyFundedFutures was like 105, 110. Top Step was 30 grand. And TakeProfitTrader was 35 grand. Yeah. It was around that. It was around those numbers. I made a video about it if you want to watch it. Yeah, I made it like a year ago. Damn, it is bouncing right here. I mean, that's actually a 30-point trade, guys. Yeah, that's kind of a 30-point trade. I mean, that's $600. 10 micros. No problem, William. Yeah, daily day trade. We took the withdrawal. Yeah. Yeah, so we took that $545 payout. After the fees, we got $436. Yeah, pretty good. Thank you, T-Chan. Thank you, man. Yeah, bounce back, T-Chan. You can get that account back and the buffer. Just learn to take those payouts, man. And yeah, start stacking. Thank you, Julian, man. Rooting for you guys as well. Thank you, man. Means a lot. Thank you. Yeah, I'm kind of wanting to get out this range, but it is kind of bouncing right here. It's kind of respecting it. I mean, that's a nice 20, 30-point trade. Yeah, William, yeah. The end of day accounts, it's like a one-time fee, which is nice. Because there's a couple times where I had, like, I blew the account, like a challenge, and I forgot to cancel it in my billing, and then they billed me 30 days later because I forgot to cancel it, and I'm like, damn, like, I didn't want to buy that again. But then I usually, most firms, if you just send them an email, like, oh, can I get a refund or something, most of them will honor it and give you a refund. Like, that happened to me with, like, Top Step and MyFundedFutures. They both gave me refunds, which was pretty nice. Because sometimes you forget to cancel in your billing after you blow an account, and then you get charged like 30 days later, and you're like, damn, I did not want to get charged. I'm like, not again. Hey, round 2. Back to the gulag, guys. We're back in the gulag. Thank you, Daily Day Trade. Yeah, PD Capital, this is a TakeProfitTrader account. This is a $2 account, this one. This is a $2 account. From $2, guys, to clearing the buffer and getting like... Wait, 436? 436 plus 304. Guys, from $2 to clearing the buffer and getting $740 in payouts after the fees. With this one account. Oh, that's a dub. And if we profit again, we can take more withdrawals. Yeah, that was a crazy comeback. Now, guys, imagine we keep this account alive, keep taking more payouts, and then get moved to live. Oh, man. He's going for all the glory. We cannot let this... This is the champion account, guys. This is a true champion. We can't let him lose. He can't lose. He's fighting. He's fighting for us. Dan, I don't know if they're truly automated. That's what they said. They said no more payout denials, so I don't know if they're gonna like automatically deduct it and send it to you right away. I have no idea. So hopefully someone can test that soon, because the update was on Sunday night. So if people get the new accounts past in one day, they can probably get a payout next week if they do everything. They get the 5 winning days and they pass it this week. They can get a request to payout next week. So hopefully by next week we will know. Order filled. Because I know there's traders out there that have passed those accounts, obviously. Definitely people passed. People in this live stream have passed some already. So it's now just a time to get the payout. But I'm taking a long bounce right here. But they said that after the 6th payout, they close the account and you either go back to the evaluation stage or you get moved to live or something. So we don't know. Hopefully they'll honor the no payout denials and like automatically send it. That would be nice. Yeah, just bouncing right here. The trend is still bullish. I mean, this is like a 30-point trade. 20, 30 points. Alright, new 5-minute. PD Capital, I have not got a payout yet with TradeDay. We still have those accounts, so I'm hoping to get a payout soon with them. They have trailing drawdown accounts, which are cheaper, but I'd rather pay like an extra 20, 30 bucks more for the end of day accounts. It's just way better and less stressful. And I got that, so I bought the end of day accounts. I think they were like 100. They had a 40% off no activation fee at the time, so I think it was like $105 or something per account. Breaking out this bottom area, not really a fan of that. Just want to see a nice clean bounce to the upside. No.
Stop filled.
Stopped out right there. $375. We took a long bounce right here. We could have maybe had a tighter stop, but just looking for a bounce up to here. That would have been a nice 30-point trade, but it's all good, guys. Yesterday we started down on the hole like over $400. We crawled back to break even, caught a banger trade, and got a payout. What's up, PDG? What's up, man? Hopefully they don't retro change everything. They're leaving the other accounts, the legacy accounts, the same that they're saying. So if you have the old accounts, it's just under the old rules, I guess. PD Capital, no. It stays end of day, which is nice. And you can still get payouts on day one of the trade day as long as you clear the buffer. And it stays at end of day, which is very nice. Yeah, ES is probably dragging it down. I still like that trade, honestly. Even though we got stopped out and lost, I still like the idea. I mean, that would have been a nice 30-point bounce. And look, it bounced her like, what, 5, 8 times? So, just kind of bad timing. I still like that trade, though. Yeah, ES is coming down. Coming back down here. Let's see, NVIDIA, $180, $82. What's up, Gabriel? What's up, man? How you guys doing? It's a beautiful Wednesday. Champions, are you with me? Let's see if it still wants to respect the range and like come back to the bottom, because this was like a bottom area it was bouncing off of and forming. So it might bounce off there again, or if it continues and breaks lower, that's a big gap to the downside as well. But it is breaking levels down at the moment and making lower highs. So just gotta be cautious about that. Great job, Gabriel. Let's go. Lock it in, man. Great job, Gabriel. Proud of you guys, man. Getting those payouts. Yeah, Beyond Limits. Have you noticed that? Like, my first trade, I always get stopped out and then it runs in my direction. Have you guys noticed that recently on my streams? Literally yesterday, bottom wicked me out. See? Yeah, you guys see that? It literally bottom wicked me out yesterday, stopped me out for 20 points, $400, and then ran up. Like, what was that wick? It was just like a random wick. Dude, I'm telling you, the market makers are watching my stream. I'm not even joking. Dude, they're hunting our stops. They're looking for like, oh, Casey's stop is right there. Oh, let's hit the stop, run in his favor, make him go on tilt. You're not gonna get me this time, Michael Patak. Michael Patak, yeah. Let's go, K-Dream. Let's go, man. Yeah, beyond limits. Yeah, it's been like that. You literally yesterday it happened on the very first trade as well. Hits my stop, then runs up. Like, what is this wick? So random. Yeah, Rich. The market makers are on to us, guys. We gotta put a 10-minute delay now on the stream. They can't stop us now. Yeah, Michael Patak. They're watching, guys. They're hunting our stops. We gotta hunt the hunters. Yeah, we gotta hunt the hunters. That's why we're wearing camel today, guys. We gotta gilly up. No, we got an insider trader. Insider trader, guys. Tevin, no. Insider trading 101. Yeah, it stops at 25,115. Smack it down, then run in his favor. Make him go on tilt. First trade of the day. But I still like that trade, even though we got stopped out. Like, yeah. I mean, that's a nice 30-point trade to the upside. Yeah, gotta be like Ghost. Just full on ghillie, sniper, silencer. One shot, one kill. He's in, he's out. Yeah. Yeah, it's like, hey man, sorry, they're paying me more. They're giving me more payouts, guys. Very interesting. Thank you, Tevin. Good job, Maudie Kicks. That's a $600 swing, man. Guys, these swings add up. Like, I didn't realize how much these swings add up. Like, let's say you have like a 15-point stop with one mini. And then, let's say you're up 15 points in profit. If it goes to 15 points in profit and then comes down to stop you out, that's a $600 swing in the wrong direction. Kind of crazy, if you think about it. Just those 15 points. Which is kind of crazy. A $600 swing. $600 is a lot on a 50K account. That's almost a third of an account. Oh, I bet Maudie Kicks, yeah. Yeah. You got your adrenaline going and everything. Yeah. Yeah. It's like a slow grind up. The trend is still bullish at the moment. But we just gotta be cautious because it is making lower highs right here. Yeah, they're hunting our stops, guys. Hey, I go on Chat GPT. How to avoid stop loss hunters. Great question, Casey. First, you need to add a 10-minute stream delay. It'll stop them preventing to knowing where your stop losses are placed. By the time your trade is going, they don't know where your stop loss is. Thanks, ChatGPT. So stupid. Alright. Is either going to bounce right here and then come back down? Because right now it is forming a lower high, but like... Guys, the trade was working out, but like, what was that wick? Nice, Gabriel. Yeah, those break even and some losses. Yeah, they add up too. So that's good that you ended up 200 on the day, man. Because also the commission fees, guys. Right idea, just wrong timing. Rich. I like the most of the time I'll go with the 50Ks. Right now we have 150K challenges as well, but they haven't been doing too good. And I've noticed most of the time I do great on 50K accounts. And they're also cheaper. And they're easier to pass and get to the drawdown. So I'm like, low-key might go back to 50Ks. I'm also going to try and save these. These are 150Ks. I'm going to try and save these, but if I blow them, I'll probably go back to 50Ks, honestly. Yeah, most of the time I get good payouts with 50Ks. Because it's easier to pass the buffer as well on the funded. Alright, new 5-minute right here. It just wicked the high right there. Let's see if it wants to break out of this top range right here and make a new high. Or reject for like the 10th time and then come back down. So I think I do either one. You know what? We'll make a poll for you guys. I like doing these polls. Where are we going? Where are we going, everybody? Did you guys see Jim Carrey's face? What happened? He looks different. Yeah, where are we going, everyone? Trend is still bullish, but right now it's forming a top range. We have been seeing turtle soup, guys.